Welcome back to It's Never Too Late. This is the Insta 360 Go Ultra Creator Bundle, and we're going to unbox it today to find out exactly what's in this box. When I was looking for a camera to capture the moments of this channel, it was hard to determine what was actually in the box, either by looking at the Amazon links or even on the Insta 360 website. I'm not a professional, so this is not going to be some nice, neat unboxing. It's probably going to get chaotic. It's probably going to get messy, but I will go over this. I also purchased the Ring remote, and I did figure out how to add links for Amazon for this product. So that will be in the description below. So if you decide you want this camera, please click those links and Amazon will pay me a little bit of commission. I appreciate it, and let's get into this. Okay, so here we are. I took the plastic off. So let's try this. Of course, tech companies are all about their packaging. I think they spend more on the packaging than they do the product themselves, but here we go. Okay, so here's a nice picture of my Osmo Pocket 3. Okay, so all this fun stuff. So this must be the little camera. Okay. And the pivot stand. I don't think I have a guitar to put it on. The quick release mount. I guess that fits on the pivot stand. And the mini 2-in-1 tripod, Insta360 tripod. And it looks like it comes with a whole bunch of little gadgets too. So let's unbox this. Okay, so we have it all here nicely assembled. Looks like this is what's in the box for the actual camera. So again, let's get the trusty little razor out. So let's take a look at this packaging. Fancy, clean, expensive looking, which means I'm already nervous to touch it. So here it is. Oh, look. Oh my gosh, it's little. So little. How little that is. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's not what I was expecting. That is little. Okay. And it says, think big. Well, thinking it's pretty little. So, quick start guide. Definitely going to need that. Looks like we have some kind of sticker. Insta360 extended warranty card. And then the safety guidelines. Oh my gosh. Did I buy a car? Okay. So, looks like there's a QR code here for some more information. That looks like the online guide. Again, pretty expensive packaging. Okay, so it says think big. Okay. There's a lot going on here. Oh, this is the necklace where it attaches. You can attach around your neck, like it shows here. and USB-C to USB-C cable. And something, I don't know yet. This is the little magnetic clip. I would say, oh, wrong side. Oh, yep, that's it. Oh, maybe it's upside down. There we go. Okay. So this is the little clip. I guess that goes on a hat or something. I think that's what it is. Okay. And here is, oh, silica pad. So, wow. I did not at all think it was that little. That is crazy. And then this little guy, oops, I got it upside down. This little guy goes right here. Wow. Shocker. I did not expect that. So here is, ooh, dramatic music right there. And I guess this, oh my gosh, scary. Oh, maybe up. Okay, so here's the screen. And I guess this is, wow, this is too cool. Look, it fits in the palm of my hand, even with the screen. Isn't that crazy? Wow, okay. There's that. What's this little guy? I have no idea. Must be a piece of gold. Oh, it's a strap. Oh, this is the little connector, little wrist strap connector. Okay, not what I was expecting. Okay, so let's go with the next piece here. This is the mini tripod. Probably would have been easier if I'd have opened up all this to begin with, but nope, like everything fell down here. It's got some little accessories. Something up here. I don't know what that is. I don't know, but if I wouldn't have paid attention, I'd have probably thrown that away. So we're going to lay it right there. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Oh. And, oh, yeah, definitely pay attention to some of this stuff. Okay. So. Okay. It's a slim down guide, I guess, because it's slim. So. That's easy. So, okay, so we're back. I had to get some little scissors because opening up these bags is not going to be fun. So, let's start off with this one. Okay, so just a piece to attach this little guy and this little guy. Okay. And looky there. I'll put him here. I'm really glad it's got a connector to it. Okay, so, oh, now, what is this? I have a feeling I'm going to have to buy another bag for all its little gadgets. Okay, so the tightening key. Okay. And I'm assuming this is the little remote control. Good Lord. Good gosh. Okay. Yes, I guess. Oh, it's for micro SD cards. Okay. I guess if you buy the option, if you get the option for the remote that goes with it, then I have no idea how to open that. But this actually, I think, goes here, and you can keep micro SD cards in there. But I believe you can also purchase a remote control that will fit in there for the Insta360 to use with that. But I actually purchased outside of the creator bundle the Ring remote. So I have unboxed this and I have looked at this already. So I'll show you that too. But this did not come with the creator bundle. Good, sheesh. Okay. More instructions. Nope. I did have this. I do not know what this is. I guess this is where the instructions come in handy. I don't know. But it comes with, it looks like little adhesive pieces. So, okay, so here is the pivot stand. Just this goes here like this, the pivot stand, and this is the pivot stand that, oh, it magnetically attaches too. Well, that's pretty cool. So yeah, it's very, it not only magnetically attaches, it actually locks into place. And it is tight, so that's not going anywhere. So that's a good thing. And this little guy is kind of hard to get off. Okay, and so that's all of, set that to the side. And this is a stand, it's got a sticky bottom on it. So I guess that's something I'll have to figure out also. Again, this is not a how-to on how to do this. This is just to help you know what actually comes in the boxes. Because I will be YouTubing a YouTube creator and trying to figure this out for myself. Sheesh. Try the other end. Okay, so again, instructions. Pretty sure I'm going to have to look at that. Okay, so this is another quick release mount that would definitely go with this or something else you might put on. And it comes with the key for tightening and also more of these little things, adhesives. And I think these are like a sticky, like this goes here. But again, I'm not real for sure. But again, I'm sure this, yep, it's magnetic too. And if you put it on the wrong way, it works against each other. So I guess you just snaps on there like that. And this is kind of at an angle, I guess. So it can kind of sit like that. This is the Ring remote I showed earlier. This was not included in the creator bundle. I purchased this separately. This is the little remote. And it comes with the remote, and it comes with this little charger for the remote. It also comes with 3 different size bands for your fingers. So you just take it and it clips right in here to charge, and it goes with a Type-C charger. And of course that's a little itty bitty, something else to keep up with. But it easily slides on your finger, and let's say you have your camera mounted to a pole or something, When you want to take some pictures and you're quite a few feet away, you can just hit the little button and record. Yay! All right, everything is officially unboxed, mostly understood, and only mildly confusing. The next step is to actually learn how to use this little guy in public without looking like some suspicious 1970s CIA agent. So if you want to see travel adventures, real life chaos, and whether or not this tiny camera survives my lifestyle, make sure you stick around. And remember, catch the flights, chase your dreams, and don't forget your charger. I'll see you next time.